The National FFA convention is in town, so you're here at a local dairy farm teaching the kids a little bit about all the intricacies that go on in agriculture and newer technologies, a lot more science-based than it used to be, so trying to stay up to times on what's going on.
Well, the agriculture future of this country, I think, is in excellent hands. These young people are excellent leaders. They are community members and do a lot of service work in their communities. They're very conscientious about their career choice. They are looking at going into a career in agriculture, whether it be in a production area or in sales and service or some type of maybe communications or whatever it might be. They've got many different career paths that they could choose from. So one thing that the National FFA Convention offers them is an opportunity to look at different career paths. And they're here today on the farm to see what dairy farming is like. Many of them do not come from dairy farms. In fact, when we rode the bus over, I asked if any of them had dairy experience or had in their supervised agriculture experience program dairying as part of their FFA and agricultural work, and none of them do. So basically what they're seeing today is how the cows are milked, how the animals are fed, and the nutritional side of things, how the crop production enters into a good dairy operation, veterinarian science, sales and management from the end of, or the aspect of the sales part, offering them an opportunity to purchase things that they'll need in farming operations if they go into production agriculture in the future. So they see a variety just here on this farm of many different career opportunities that they could choose from.
Well, anytime we have large groups like that come around, it helps the county. You bring people here that have never been to the area before, and they're able to see the beauties and what the area has to offer, and it can definitely benefit a community by on down the road, you know, if they were to decide to come back or just showcase it, help showcase the state.